Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jeremy from Octane TV. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a new product review on these new headphones, which are the HE01 Plus. These are the VG class series of headphones. These are not wireless headphones, these are wired headphones. They are high fidelity, high quality audio sound headphones. So we're gonna unbox these, show you what comes inside, and give you guys a review of what we think of these. Hope you guys really enjoy this video, stay tuned. This is the box when you pull it out of the sleeve. It's actually a really nice box. Here's everything that comes in the box. We'll go through all this stuff and show you what each part is. Here's everything out of the packaging. The earbuds are right here. Looks like they got an audiophile cable here, and then they've got the plastic pieces that go onto the earbuds in a really nice case. So I went ahead and put on the bubble pieces on each one. All these are, I put the smallest ones on there. I went ahead and lined up the dots. You've got the red dot on each side here. Line those up and plugged those in. And then on this one you will have a blue dot. And we went ahead and lined those up and plugged those in on each side. These are the headphones themselves, so I want to kind of show you guys in the camera. Hopefully this looks good on the camera, kind of going up close and stuff like that. But here's what they look like, and then I kind of show you in the video how to, do the blue, and then the other side is the red, and then you plug them up, and then we're going to plug this headphone jack into our cell phone, and we're going to show you what the actual audio sounds like. I'm going to give you my true 100% take on what these actually sound like straight out of the headphones and straight out of my cell phone. All right, so I have them in here. I wrap this around here so they are in on both sides. I'm gonna go to my music on my cell phone. I have to use a Type-C adapter over here to the headphone adapter because new phones do not have an actual headphone jack. They have Type-C now. So that's what I'm gonna have to use. So I'm gonna play some music. Wow, I just clicked on it and it sounded really good. So I'm gonna play some music and see what it sounds like. Ooh. Holy moly. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I gotta tell you this while I got these in my ears. The farther I push these down into my ears, the crazier the sound gets. I only had this on 3/4, which I usually turn this thing all the way up with my wireless earbuds. I turned this up and it's so loud I actually had to turn it down, which is very rare for me. I like my music extremely loud. So the sound quality is really good. I'll push it again, hold on here. Wow. 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 Oh. Okay, I gotta pause this. So I can tell you this much. Out of all the headphones I've done reviews on, and I've done a lot, like I have probably close to 40 pairs of wireless earbuds. These are the loudest and the clearest I have ever heard in my life. I don't know if it's because they are wired or what would actually cause this, but the sound quality that comes out of these is absolutely amazing, and man, they are loud. If I would have had these when I was a kid listening to a Walkman, you would hear me all the way down that bus when I was riding the bus to school. So, yeah, if you're looking for a pair of wired headphones that sound amazing and are loud, this is definitely the pair of headphones for you guys. Words cannot even describe how amazing these sound, to be honest with you. Like, it's hard to put this into a YouTube video, so you guys are gonna have to take my word for it. And I do a lot of earbud, mostly wireless. This is my first wired. Back in the day, this is all we had. So this, I'm gonna give it to you in perspective. My phone on full volume on every other pair of wireless earbuds is the same as this on probably half, if not 60%. That's how loud these things are. I literally at 75% on my phone is so loud, I kind of have to notch it down, which is, you will understand me, I do music for a living for 25 years. So trust me, I like my music extremely loud. So to say that these are loud is an understatement, but the sound quality is just as good as it is loud. So man, I'm telling you, these are definitely the best pair of wired headphones I have ever heard in my life. So if you're wondering what I would rate these on comparable to all the other earphones, I would say these are a 9.5 to a 9.7 out of 10. Definitely, if they can get this replicated into wireless, this will be the only pair of earbuds I listen to. Now, I don't know if it's the wired portion that makes them sound so amazing, which I think it is, but if they could replicate this into wireless, oh my God, man, I would absolutely, that would be my only pair of earbuds, just to put it that way. But again, this is the loudest, the clearest, and the best sound quality I have ever heard out of a pair of earbuds. So I've listened to a lot of wired back in the day. Trust me, my ears don't deceive me. They do not sound like this, nothing like this. So I want to give them a lot of credit for building a quality product that sounds amazing, but also is loud. That is the problem with a lot of these earbuds, is they are not loud enough, and you hear everything on the outside. Now, I only have the smallest plastic part in on here, so it can go further down in my ear. The further you push this down into your ear, the more bass and the louder you can make it. But if you have it hanging out a little bit and you can still hear a little bit around it, it's not quite as loud. But if you push it in there, boy, it gets extremely loud. So I'm gonna tell you on this video, I give these, like I said, a 9.5 to 9.7 out of 10. I highly recommend these after hearing them. I'm gonna put a link down in the description below where you could buy these and you could have them directly shipped to your home, but I highly recommend these. I don't say that very much on these videos for the earbuds. A lot of these, they're just okay. They're average. These are well above average by far. So if you're looking for a high quality, something extremely good, I highly recommend these. Hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.